There is somewhere around 10,500 different job that you can try in this entire world. 10,500. But Indian parents are worried about just two jobs, doctor and an engineer. How logical is it? Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contro Podcast. You are listening to Constant Show. Never listen to any advice, guys. That's the advice that I want. These are nothing but you practice, you will become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. Sanjay here. So think about this. Every single thing that you have done till today, till this day, that doesn't really matter. I'm being so true to you. Everything that you have done till today doesn't really matter. You might be a graduate, you might be a student, you might be an MBA student, engineering graduate, or a BCom student, or a BTech student, something else. 10th, first PU, anything. But that doesn't really determine who you are as a person. That doesn't really determine what you have to do in your entire life. There are people who tell you that you need to figure out your life as soon as you pass your 10th, as soon as you pass your first PU, as soon as you are done with your graduation. But the truth is, there are people out there who are 80 and haven't figured out life, and haven't figured out thinking that what did I do in my entire life. You need to understand everything that you have done till today, that doesn't really matter. If you are really interested into one particular goal that you wanted right now, chase that one particular goal and work on it every single day. Work for 6 months on that one particular thing. If you love podcasts, just try to do podcast for 6 months, next 6 months at one single stretch. Think about this for 6 months. Don't even concentrate about anything in your entire life. Just do podcast. If you don't like it, try swimming the next 6 months. If you don't like it, try cooking the next 6 months. If you don't like it, try modeling the next 6 months. If you don't really like it, try something else the next 6 months. That is how you figure out life. If you are an engineer, that doesn't mean you just have to go get hired by a IT company. If you are a mechanical engineer, even though if you get hired by an IT company, that really happens. So it doesn't really matter. You have to be hired by a IT company and go tap on the keyboard, and even though if you don't like that one particular job, you have to do it. No, that's not life. Life is something that you figure it out. You should think that there are hell lot of skills in this entire world. I have just read an article. There is somewhere around 10,500 different job that you can try in this entire world. 10,500. But Indian parents are worried about just two jobs, doctor and an engineer. How logical is it? So this is the scenario that we are living in. It is our responsibility to change it. How do you change it? It depends upon you. If you have a cousin, if you are really interested in the life that you wanted to live, or if you have a younger brother who is really passionate about something that will revolutionize this entire world. Revolutionize in the sense they don't have to just land the entire spaceship, or they don't have to colonize Saturn's moon Titan. Revolutionize their life is more important than revolutionizing the entire world. So that is really important. Happiness is more important than the money that you get in your life. So make sure you support them, or you support yourself. Figure out life for your own, and just learn different skill. There are people who feel like, who are my age, 24, 25, done with the graduation, done with 2 years of work, and they feel like the entire world is down. They feel like the entire life is over. I have just studied engineering, but I am so interested in painting. How do I do that now? Because 25 years of my entire life is over today. How do I do it? You just figure it out. You just start new things. You didn't grow up learning how to drive. You didn't grow up learning how to walk. you just figured it out. Every new technology that you have today is nothing but an iteration. There is nothing as right or wrong. You just figure it out. If it is right for you, it is right in your life. So try living your own life rather than benchmarking someone else, or rather than living someone else's blueprint. So I'll meet you guys at the top. Thank you. Bye bye.